Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about different units of time.
Let's go.
What is the smallest unit of time? Yes, seconds. How many seconds in a minute?
3, 2, 1.
Yes, 60 seconds. How many minutes in 1 hour?
3, 2, 1.
60 minutes. How many hours in a day?
3, 2, 1.
24 hours. How many days in a week?
3, 2, 1.
7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. How many weeks in 1 month?
3, 2, 1.
4 weeks. How many days in 1 month?
3, 2, 1.
30 days has September, April, June and November. February has 28 alone. All the rest have 31. Expecting leap year, that is the time when February days are 29. How many months a year? 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Thank you.